Good evening. Good evening to all. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional. The additional of today's newspaper on Thursday. It's Thursday, August the 15th, 2024. We have four puzzles left in this additional. In this additional, we have 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the Ladder Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 Jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Cyberblock, in Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. Not all. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. And besides, I've already solved 3 regular puzzles this afternoon, so there's a lot of puzzles. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, the first one, the 3 Stars Sudoku number 9098. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot. It has 27 printed digits. Well, usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 27. Should be a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my average time. Alright, so let's get started. We have a 1 in this column, 1 in the fifth column, so the column between only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the last row, 1 in that row, so the row between the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column, in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay. How about the 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with the 1. We have a 1 now in the middle row, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the ones are used. I can see digit number 1. Okay. Alright. 2. How about 3 here. 7 here, yeah. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 4 missing numbers in the first row. 1 of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in the first row should be there. 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6. Okay. Then let me see. Need a 9 here. Come on. Need a 7 there. Okay. Need a 2 here. Need a 6 here. And yeah, I'm thinking. Yeah. We have a 9 in this column, 9 in the last column, so the column between the only place left for the 9 should be there. Need a 9 here. 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the field column, so the column between the third column. Now only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 in that row, no 9 there. Only place left for the 9 should be there. We have all the 9s, and all the 9s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 9. Alright. So, how about 2, 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here, or there. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so the column between. Only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the first row, so the row between. The second row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4, 4. 4, 4. Cannot continue with the 4 now. Need to wait. Well, need a 5 here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6, and look, we have a 2 and a 5 in the last column. So no 2 and a 5 in this box. 2 and a 5, those in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 6. Alright. Then, let me see. We have a 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left to 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. Need a 5 here, need a 6 here, 5 and a 6. 2 in the last row, 2 in a row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left to 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. These 3 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6. And look, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. So the only place left with 2 should be there. So the 5 and the 6 are left. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 digit left in this big square for number, I believe the 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the 6, 7, 8 is missing. The 8 here. Alright. 4, 1, 8. Daar. Need a 8 here. Need a... No 6, need a 6 there, need a 6 there. I'm thinking. Need a 4 here. Well, 5. Need a 5 here. Well, we have here 2 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing, 6 is missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay, 7 and the 3. 7, 3 and the 8. Well, need an 8 here. Need an 8 there. Well. I need an 8 there. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 here. Yeah, I'm thinking 6. And I need a 6. Need a 3. Need a 7 here. Well, here we need a 8 here. In this column we need an 8. Here came in 8, we have 8 in the first row, no 8 there. Here came in 8, we have 8 in the last row, no 8 there. So the only place level 8 in this column should be there. So 2 numbers left, 6 and a 5, okay. Need an 8 here, and I need a... 5. I'm thinking, 8. Need an 8 here. 8 in this column, last column, 8 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places level 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Need 8 here. So 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6, 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. Well, let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 7 and a 3. So we need a 6 there. Let me think. 6 and a 5. 6, 3, and a 4. 4. 7, 3, and the... Need a 2 there. Need a 4 here, How about here? Need a 6 there. Yeah, in this row we need a 6. Here can be 6. Because we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this big square. So the 6 could be here, could be there in this row. We have another 6 in the first column, so no 6 there, 6 should be there. And now we have a pair, 2 and a 6 in the first column, 2 and a 6 in the second column. So in the third column, only 2 places left, the 2 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in the second row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 now in the second row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. So 1 box left in the second row for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. Alright. Need a 3, 3, 3. So here we have 7 and a 3 here on left. Well. Do we have all the 2s? No. And all the 2s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 2. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. 8, yeah. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places level 8 should be here. Or there we have 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place level 8 should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only place level 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. This is number 4, number 8. Right. Now I can continue with the 4. 4 in this column, first column. 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only place level 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places level 4 should be here. Or there we have a 4 in this column. No 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. This is number 5, number 4. Okay. Then 7 and 3. Need a 5 here. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here and the 7 goes there. So 1 is left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 7 or a 3. We have a 3 now in this row, so this can be a 3 and more. This box should be a 7. 7 or 3. We have a 7 now in the last column, so this box should be a 3. 3 and a 6. Okay. 3 and a 6. 7 and a 3. We need a 5 here. Need a 5. Well. 7 or 7 or 3. We have a 3 now, so this box should be a 7 then. 7 or 3. We have a 7 here, so this box should be a 3 then. So we have 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place level 3 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 6 in the 5, we have 6 in the middle row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 5 goes there. 7 and 5, we have 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 7 goes there. Then 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. The 4, 5, 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in the last row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 6 goes there. 6 in the last row. 6 in that row, so the row between the only place level 6 should be there. 6 in the 5, we have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 7 goes and there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well, we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it and solve myself. Thank you again for watching, and give this a 2 stars. Not faster than 15 minutes in a way, but we solve it again. See you in a minute with other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.